Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn and knowing about gradients in CSS3, how to apply HTML5 element. We'll begin the session. See the gradients and you display smooth transition between two or more specified colors using CMC very simple CSS technique. Let's see here. I'm taking a very simple H1 and a paragraph tag and a div tag I'm taking here. Now let's take a code of for these simple things. You can apply a number of things as you wish. And see here, super exciting example I'm taking here for you. Box ID. The ID what I have called with the style tag, it's in a box. Where is the box is showing here and the ID of the div tag, this is the box. And the linear gradient left to right I'm applied here. This linear gradient starts at the left and starts yellow, transitioning to red. How it is prepared. See, the height is 200px, background color is by default it is red, and the background image it is linear gradient to left red yellow. So we will see how it is. As your custom of this box, you can conveniently change it by refresh. Wow, the linear gradient left to right, how it is applied. From yellow it is initiated and continue to the transition to red. Important note, Internet Explorer like a lower versions of the browsers will not support these type of latest features. Strongly remember, whenever you want to apply in your header, which color you feel comfortable to see, you apply this simple technique of the gradients. I'm assuring that you will get a very simple of this code for applying of the box whichever you're taking. And this is the div tag. You have a div tag ID and the height is 200px and like a width I have didn't applied anywhere. The background color and like a background image like a so-called it is a linear gradient we have applied. That's all. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.